Good evening, ma'am. My name is K. Dhananjanelu. I am Triple A department. My roll number is 234J180218. Today my topic is problem on Nyquist plot. Subject name is control system 1. Subject code is 23EE401. Problem on Nyquist plot. Today small introduction about Nyquist plot. The Nyquist plot graphically representation of the system's frequency and system frequency response. It depicts how to the complex gain of the system varies with frequency. Engineers used to access stability and performance of control system. Importance of Nyquist plot. The Nyquist plot is a crucial for analyzing stability in feedback systems. It helps determining the gain and phase margin effectively. Understanding these margins is essentially system design. Basic components of Nyquist plot. The plot consists of the real and imaginary parts of the transfer function. Its horizontal axis represents the real part, while the vertical representation is the imaginary part. Each point curve corresponding to the system response at the specific frequency. Nyquist stability criterion. The Nyquist stability criterion helps determine the stability of closed loop system. It relates the number of n circumambulation of critical point -1, 0 of this system stability. The system stable of number of n crucialment equal to the number of poles of right half of S plane. Phase margin and gain margin. Phase margin measures how much phase can change before instability occurs. Gain margin indicates how much gain increases the system can tolerate before coming unstable. Both margins are desired from the Nyquist plot and are the crucial for stability analysis. Open loop versus closed loop plots. Open loop Nyquist plot represent the system without feedback. Closed loop plots include the effect feedback system stability. Understanding the differences is essential for proper stability analysis. Software tools of Nyquist analysis. Various software tools assist is generating Nyquist plot and analyzing the system. Tools like MATLAB and Python provide functional for plotting and stability analysis. Utilizing this software can enhance accuracy and efficiency in the system design. Limitations of Nyquist plot. Nyquist plot may not capture all dynamics for complex system. They can difficult to interpret without solid understanding of control theory. Relying solely on Nyquist plot can lead the override system behavior. Example problem on Nyquist plot. Draw the Nyquist plot for the system g of s h of s is equal to 40 divided by s plus 4 into s square plus 2s plus 1. This solve the problem. To solve this problem, first we need the number of counters. Number of counters formula number of poles of right side minus number of zeros of right side. The problem above problem is 0. Number of poles of right side is 0. Number of poles of right zeros of is 0 due to null counter. Step 1. Step 1. S plus st form. G of s is equal to 40 by 4 into 2 into s by 4 plus 1 s square by 2 plus s plus 1 by s by 1 plus 1 is equal to 5 by 0.s into 1 0.5 s square plus s plus 1. Substitute s is equal to j omega for the above equation. G of into j omega is equal to 5 by 0.25 j omega plus 1 0.5 j omega whole square plus 0. J omega plus 1. Apply the mod for the above equation. G of j omega h of j omega modulus is equal to 5 by root 0.25 omega whole square plus 1 root 1 minus 0.5 omega square plus omega square. The above equation phi is equal to minus tan inverse of 0.25 omega minus tan inverse of omega by 1 minus 0.5 omega square. Section 1. Sp is equal to s is equal to infinity. The substitute omega is equal to infinity for the above equation. G of j omega h of j omega is equal to 0. Substitute pi value. Pi value is equal to minus 270. The total equation mod m angle of phi is equal to 0 at the angle of minus 270. Tp S is equal to J 0. Omega is equal to 0. Mod M is equal to 5. Phi is equal to 0. Mod M at the angle of phi is equal to 5 into at the angle of 0. Section 2. SP is equal to J omega. Omega is equal to 0. Mod M is equal to 5. Phi is equal to 0. SP is equal to 5 into at the angle of 0 degrees. Tp is equal to S is equal to J infinity plus omega is equal to infinity. Mod M is equal to 0. At the angle of phi is equal to 270 degrees. Tp is equal to 0 at the angle of 270 degrees. Section 1. Draw the first graph for the section 1. 0, 360 minus 2, 270 minus 90 minus 180 plus 180 minus 270 plus 90. Graph represent for the section 1 to start with the 0 at the end with the minus 270 degrees. Section 2 graph. Same above for the equation. 5 value at the angle of 5. Section 2. At the start with the angle of 0, end with some angle of minus 270 to start at the angle, at the end is 0 for 5. To combine these two sections 1 and 2, this is the graph for the interconnected the 2 points is the K. Conclusion. The Nyquist plot for the visual tool of control system analysis and design. Understanding these challenges and limitations are crucial for effective applications. Continuous learning and adoption are a key matrix Nyquist analysis. Free modifying and detail are winding for needs. Thank you, ma'am. Then thank you this opportunity.